Hello guys, welcome to Statistics Bio 7. I am Dr. Mohanathanari. The channel fully focused on the biostatistics related data analysis and data visualization related video post on the channel. If you like the channel video, click the subscription button and support to me by a super thanks or a join a channel membership. Let's go to the video. Now we are the discussion topic, how to analyze simple periodogram in past statistical software. So what is a simple periodogram? The simple periodogram is a method used to estimate the power spectrum of the time series. It provides a way to analyze and visualize the periodic compound or frequencies present in the data. The periodogram is a useful tool in signal processing and time series analysis, allowing researchers to identify dominant cycles and periodic trends in the data. So how to work the simple periodogram. The Fluorence transform. The periodogram is calculated by applying the Fourier transform to the analyze time series data. This transform convert the time dominance signal into the frequency dominance representations, revolving how much of the signal's energy is converted at various frequencies. Power spectrum. The resulting periodogram display the power of each frequency's compound. The peak in the periodogram indicate dominant cycles are predominant within the data. Estimations. The periodogram provide an estimate of the power spectrum density, which describes how power is distributed across the different frequencies. The next, the simple periodogram used in the biological science. In biological science, the simple periodogram can be used to analyze various types of the time series data to uncover periodic patterns and trends. Here are some applications in biological science for simple periodogram. The ecological data analysis. The species abundance. The researcher can be used the periodogram to analyze the periodic frequencies in species populations or abundance over the time. For example, it can help identify seasonal cycle or annual trends in population count. Environmental variables. The periodogram can be applied to the environmental variable such as temperature or precipitation to identify the seasonal or cycle pattern to may influence the ecological process. The genetic studies. The gene expression in transcriptions. The periodogram can analyze the time series data of gene expressions level to detect the periodic pattern in gene activity, which may be related to the biological rhythmic or cycles. Circadian rhythmic. It can be used to study the circadian rhythmic in gene expressions or other the biological process, identifying the periodic of occultation related to the circadian clock. The medical research. The heart rate variability. In cardiology, the periodogram can be used to analyze the heart rate variability over the time, the detecting the periodic patterns that may be indicative of physiological or pathological conditions. Clinical data. The periodogram can help uncover the periodic trend in clinical data, such as symptoms or disease progressions, the potentially adding in diagnosis and treatment planning. For example, for the simple periodogram in biological science and analysis for the data. For example, we have collected the data set of monthly temperature and precipitation measurements over the several years for 5 years. We can identify the annual cycle and seasonal variation in temperature and precipitations. This will be important for understanding the climatic pattern and their effect of the ecosystem. In summary of the simple periodogram, the simple periodogram is a valuable tool for detecting and analyzing the periodic compound in time series data, the providing insight into psychological pattern and trends relevant to the various biological and ecological studies. So let's go the analysis sections and open the past statistical software. The data already entered in the past statistical software workspace. We collect the data for the environmental data, two environmental data, the one of the temperature and next one the precipitation pattern. So the collected the year totally the 5 year, the starting of the 2017 January and end of the year data collected December 2023. So the three column, first one column the month and year, next one for the temperature, third one for the precipitation pattern. Now selected for the data analysis in the precipitation pattern for the last 5 year data. So select for the precipitation pattern column and go to the time series option, spectral analysis, and select for the simple periodogram. So this is for the graph of the simple periodogram in past statistical software. So the blue line indicated for the precipitation pattern value and the red line indicated for the significance value. So the right side of the value, the peak frequency value 0.08283 and peak power value 29.02 and the p random value 0.00 and p less than 0.01, the significant is a value 9.729 and p less than 0.05 value 8.094. So this is for the simple periodogram graph, and the some of the customized in the graph only for the thick line on options and change to the for the font options and the font size. Okay, then close the graph properties. Okay, the next one the sub tab for the number options. This is for the frequency value and power of the peak value. Then this is for the frequency and power of the value mentioned to the precipitation pattern value, the numbers. Okay, the how to export this graph in the past statistical software. Click to the graph setting and export option, change to the graph options for the JPG and say click to the save as file, save over the simple periodogram file. Okay, if you any doubt on this video, post on the comments in the comment box, and this simple periodogram graph interpretation I will upload the next on video, the video link mentioned to the description box. If you like this video, click to the subscription button and support to me by a super thanks or a join a channel membership. Thank you for watching this video.